Once upon a time, in a quaint village in India, lived a farmer named Raman. He was known for his wisdom and kind-hearted nature. One day, as he was plowing his fields, he stumbled upon a shiny diamond lying in the soil. Astonished by his discovery, he held the precious gem in his hands, realizing it was worth a fortune. Excitement filled Raman's heart, but his conscience urged him to find the rightful owner of the diamond. He decided to visit the village elder, Vikram, renowned for his honesty and fair judgments. Raman humbly handed the diamond to Vikram, seeking his guidance. Vikram examined the sparkling gem, appreciating Raman's integrity and desire to do the right thing. He announced to the villagers that a precious diamond had been found and asked if anyone had lost it. Villagers gathered at Vikram's place, curious and hopeful, but none claimed the diamond as their own. Vikram suggested waiting for a few days to see if the real owner would come forward. Meanwhile, news of the lost diamond spread to neighboring villages. Hearing about the honest farmer and the valuable gem, many people claimed it, describing it with various details. Amidst all the claims, Vikram had an idea. He summoned all the claimants and told them, "The real owner will know the true value of this diamond. I will conduct a test to determine who the rightful owner is." He asked each claimant to describe the diamond in detail. While the dishonest ones boasted of its immense worth and size, Raman spoke humbly about its beauty and significance to him. His description revealed a deep emotional connection with the diamond. Vikram's keen eye noticed that Raman's description held sincerity, and he recognized the diamond as a precious family heirloom that had been lost generations ago. Impressed by Raman's genuine attachment, Vikram handed the diamond to him, declaring him as the rightful owner. The villagers praised Raman's integrity and wisdom. He could have easily kept the valuable gem for himself, but his moral compass guided him to the right path. Raman thanked Vikram and the villagers for their honesty and support. From that day on, Raman's reputation as a wise and honest man spread far and wide. He became an example of virtue for generations to come, teaching the valuable lesson that honesty and integrity are the true treasures of life. And so, the story of the wise farmer and the lost diamond continues to inspire people to choose righteousness over worldly possessions.